Hello guys, welcome back to Crazy Coding. So today we are going to install STS plugin guys step by step. So let's start the video. So guys, we need to go to help and here you can see Eclipse marketplace guys. So let it be open. Then you can see one install option is there. So first you need to check guys, is there any STS plugin of lower version is already installed or not? Because if two STS plugin with different version is there, then there may be a chance of getting error. So first we need to remove the old version if there is already there. So let it be open, then we'll uninstall that older version. So let me check here. So as you can see, there is no any older version or no any STS plugin guide. So we need to go to search and we need to search here for STS Spring Tool Suite guys. So this is the latest version guys, Spring Tools 4. So we need to install this one. So let it be click on install option, then it will ask some permission. So we need to check on these both checkboxes guys. Okay, we need to check out all the checkboxes, then we need to say confirm and make sure guys you have good network connectivity, because it take more time if you have not good network. And if you are having good network also, it will take max 10 minutes. So let it be install guys. I am having good network connectivity guys. After that also it took around 5 minutes to install all the dependency. Now after that we need to click on finish. So after finishing guys, it will again installing software. You can see here 60% is there. So let it be complete 100% guys. So guys, installation software is 100% completed guys. So it will ask to restart the Eclipse IDE guys. So to reflect the changes, we need to restart this Eclipse IDE. Then STS plugins will reflect the changes guys. So that's it for today guys. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe this channel guys. Thank you.